Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to turn on and off background apps in Windows 10. So while there are a lot of applications that will run continuously on your computer, background apps can be specifically very annoying because they're always running, taking up system resources, especially if you are limited with such resources and you would rather programs not run if you're not using them. And to be quite honest, many programs do not need to run in the background. So in this tutorial, I will be showing how to disable those applications. So we're going to head over to our Start menu, and we're going to left click on Settings. Then we're going to go underneath Privacy. And then at the bottom of this list here, we want to left click on Background Apps. And then we see we have a bunch of applications here, and it'll say let apps run in the background. So just go underneath the app you want to disable and just click on this little oval next to it. If it's in the on position, just click on the oval. It'll unshade or unhighlight this oval and it'll become white and it'll say off. And then if you want to turn it back on, just click on the oval again. It'll fill the oval blue and it'll go in the on position. There's no OK or apply or any of those buttons you have to click to save the settings. So once you're done with all your changes, you just close that out the window and you should be good to go. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.